prices to go up and us to have food shortages in the future.
This book,
It is
Mastering Bookkeeping,
about sanctions, policies.
because today I'm just discussing some of the things I do as a bookkeeper.
This government under the Democrat Party
I enjoy financial statements. A lot of people don't understand financial statements, but now that I've been dealing with 30 or more clients every quarter, I have agreed not to disclose any of their financial statements to their creditors until they're able to prove their last tax, the last time they filed taxes. So that means I'm not a debt consolidator. I don't consolidate debt. So if they don't want me to report it to their creditor, that's fine. But when I do the books, I still have to write down that they owe this certain creditor, so they know. That's why I'm the book, so they know not the creditor. So when they tell me that, that's not my job anyway. But if the creditors did call or phone their business or their production, I would inform the creditor that they know very much about it. It's not my job to pay. I would inform them that yes, I know that they owe you, and they said that they're gonna make every attempt to pay. But why they haven't paid you, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get into control account. It's gonna be a 15 to 25 minute lecture on control account. And just 15 to 25 minute lecture on control accounts is gonna help you understand why when you see C.P.A. bookkeeping service on the side of my car, 804-306-5430, that with my bookkeeping service, you can be in control of your own account within no time. Useful summary. A control account is a sort of trial balance for just one ledger division. You write the account at the back of the ledger division concerned. The main idea of the control account is to subdivide the tasks of the main trial balance. We also provide useful summaries of data for more effective financial management. For example, the boss might want an up-to-date figure for total debtors to help monitor credit control in the firm. Control accounts are in fact sometimes called total accounts. For example, total creditors account. And then it goes on to talk about subdividing the work. So advantage of using control accounts is next. And it says the principal advantage of using control accounts is to reduce the need to deal with many sales or purchase ledger balance to a single sales or purchase ledger balance. The way interim and financial accounts can be drawn up more quickly. A second advantage is that the control account balance can be used as check on the accuracy of individual ledger account posting, especially if the control account is posted by a different bookkeeper. Dun, dun, dun. To the one who puts the individual sales and purchase ledger account. This is usually the case in large companies. It is unlikely that the same postal errors will be made by both clerks. Thirdly, subdividing ledger means errors are easier to find because each division is self-contained in double entry terms. Fourthly, fraud is made more difficult. Illegal transfers of money are more likely to be noticed if a different clerk deals with each side of the dual posting. Source documents for control account. So I give some know-how from the one that run the show now. In control account, the three subsidiary ledgers that you can title under the first ledger in your control. So say you had A, and then you said 1A, 2A, 3A. would you say 2A or would you say 2B? You see what I mean? So it's not to be or to not to be, because that's a short life. So if you deal with, let's see, on on 1A, no, on A, you write the contents of the subject matter for 1A, 2A, and 3A is 1A, 2A, or 3A different from A? No. So if you was on 1B, so now you get the source document for control. So now on dual postings and let's see, fraud. Now I know you didn't committed fraud, did you? I know you didn't do that, did you? You was like, nah, like, alright, now. I know lies. I've been telling stories about people being witches, but when you get your gnomes and shit, it's gonna be some shit pop off now. I don't know, you know what I mean? I ain't living in California, ain't no reason to try to leave the country. You know what I mean? I tried that. Ain't no mothership coming in. It's just another hot train. No reason to be there so you can get to where you got to go. You know what I mean? I still ain't got to that situation, and it's hurt my feelings to know that I'm in the pain. I'm hurt, man. So I'm trying to tell y'all better get back to control account. They say purchase day book, purchase returns day book, purchase ledger control account. So now, the purchase ledger control account for the purchase day book was the daily earnings of the store or wherever you at. The purchase returns day book is what you made 1 year prior to what month it is, what day it is, and not the year. Just how much money you got. Purchase ledger control account divide all the money from the minimum wage paid the year before to what salary is now, whatever year you in. Divided by the number of salary workers that was getting paid last year and what the highest pay rate is this year. Do that. Bank cash book. Now, see who you gonna keep working and see who you gonna fire. And then once you do that, subtract out of how many paycheck that you still have to pay them before they walk out that door and you hire another employee for minimum wage. Sales day book, sales returns day book, sales ledger control account, bank cash book, sales day book, sales returns day book, sales ledger control account, the sales ledger control account. The average earnings a store make per quarter, after 3 quarters, prepare for taxes at the end of the close of the 3rd quarter, then close the books by calculating depreciation and close the all asset account. Sales day book, sales returns day book. Number all the sales that have been recorded on all the receipts log all the recorded sales in the general ledger, transfer the general ledger, no, record all other earnings made on all the receipts in the general journal, record all general journal entries into the general ledger, and then after that, do an unadjusted trial balance if needed. Sales return day book. Calculate all of the returns made to the store, to the business before the close of the
put Star Parker in charge of this,
quarter.
This organization, this council that has
Bank cash book.
responsibility to go around
Take
the
all
world and
annual taxes out of
what happened during the Holocaust and so forth.
gross
Protect
income,
locations
and then you have your net income.